Are mothballs safe to use in a room where someone is sleeping?
Welcome everyone. Today we're diving into an important question that may concern many of you. Are mothballs safe to use in a room where someone is sleeping? The short answer is no, they are not safe. But why, you might ask? Let's get into the details.
What are mothballs?
Mothballs are small balls of chemical pesticide and deodorant, often used to protect clothes from damage by moths and mold. The two main ingredients traditionally used in mothballs are naphthalene and paradichlorobenzene, which are solid chemicals that slowly evaporate into a gas.
Why are mothballs dangerous?
The gases emitted by mothballs are intended to kill moths, but they can also be harmful to humans, especially in a poorly ventilated area. In the short term, inhaling the gases can lead to nausea, headaches, dizziness, and irritation of the eyes and lungs. Long-term exposure could potentially lead to more serious health issues like liver and kidney damage or even cancer. Children and pets are particularly at risk if they accidentally ingest mothballs, which can be fatal.
Can I use mothballs safely?
Mothballs can be used safely, but only in the right conditions. They should only be used in tightly closed, sealed containers so that the gas isn't released into your living space. Remember, they are not safe to use in a room where people or pets are living, sleeping, or spending significant amounts of time.
Are there any safe alternatives?
Absolutely. Instead of mothballs, consider using safer alternatives like cedar blocks or sachets filled with lavender or other natural repellents. Not only are these less harmful, they can also make your clothes smell nice. In conclusion, while mothballs can be effective in keeping moths away, they should never be used in a room where someone is sleeping due to the risks associated with inhaling the gases they release. Instead, opt for safer alternatives and ensure that you're using any chemical products with care. Health and safety should always be our top priorities. Thanks for watching, and we hope this information keeps you safe and well informed.